Les Petits Bleus Creperie. This is Commander's Palace Restaurant here. Cool, right? It's the valley over there. Cool little. This is the Governor's Palace Restaurant here. It's one of the famous Governor's Palace Restaurant, folks. Dooky Chase Restaurant, opened in Emily's Azures, Dooky Chase. This restaurant became owned by a meeting place for advancement of the civil rights movement in New Orleans. Dooky Chase. Another one of the a great civil rights movement gathering place. Dooky Chase Restaurant. One of the gathering places here. Fabulous, right? Have a look at this. This is dedicated to fun-loving people of a great city who are all hang out here for some reason, right? Making rights real. What's happening? The place is only reservations only. It's closed. The classic American, the bourbon bar. Oysters on top. The bourbon bar, the bourbon house, seafood. Bourbon and seafood is a great New Orleans treat. I'm going. Another one of the 1840, a little restaurant. Oh, beautiful. This is as usual. Lovely, sharply. Look at this. Here, folks, it's a 1840. It's a nice little private rooms and dinner sales. The waiting staff. Hi, how are you? Wonderful, thank you so much.
You're using the digital camera.
It's a little, the bar. Fabulous. Little. Chefs. We're setting up for dinner very soon, and it's a smart dress, but I always get in for some reason, I don't know. I'm not recording, just now.
That's why I had to make sure.
Wonderful. Every time I come here to Louisiana, New Orleans, I always step into this beautiful restaurant bar. And, yeah, so there we go.
Thank you for stopping by.
Thank you. Wonderful. It's a lovely little fireplace. It's always beautiful fireplace. TV. Oh, there's a little. The waiting staff just down there. It's over here. Fabulous. So that's the entrance. A very traditional 1840, in fact. A beautiful, hello. 1840. Anthony's little restaurant that stayed on with the traditions and the etiquette of the restaurants that continued on here in New Orleans.